Who are you and why would a fine girl like you be knocking on my door like a criminal? Are you a thief?
I'm so sorry about the door. Good morning, barrister. My name is Matilda Lambert.
So because you're Matilda Lambert, I should fly out of the window. Yeah? And allow you to commit breaking and entry.
Shut up!
Barrister, like I said earlier, I just apologized about your door. I'm sorry. Okay? Mark Zuckerberg actually recommended you to me to help me solve a case.
Of course you should have a case. Somebody looking at you will see a case. You will see that you always be having cases. So what kind of case do you have?
You think so they're wise?
It's a breach of contract.
I knew it. I knew from the way you were knocking on my door. I knew that there was something very fishy about you. You're a Yahoo girl.
Jesus is Lord!
I saw it, but for legal purposes, I decided not to say it first. Now FBI is after you, right?
Yeah. I am not a Yahoo girl. And no one is after me, okay? Listen, I was actually on my way to a private screening of my movie on Royal with an investor.
So you think I don't have sense? No, you think I don't have sense. You have used investor, breach of contract, actor, movie producer in one sentence. And you think I will not know that you're a Yahoo girl. You're a Yahoo girl.
I am not a Yahoo girl, okay?
I can see that you don't need my legal services.
Oh, come on, barrister. I do need your services and that's why I'm here.
If you need my legal services. Okay. Now that you are guilty of Yahoo, and it will demand that I defend you effectively in court, you will have to pay a 1.5 million naira initial deposit for logistics and safe landing. Yes.
For the record, I am not guilty of being a Yahoo girl or any other thing, okay? I actually came here so you could draft a multi-billion-dollar contract for my movie on Royal, which is actually showing on Netflix right about now. And that could have gotten you $10 million retainer. But you see, because you're not a serious lawyer and you're a very cheap-ass lawyer, you're not even worth a dime.
Did you just say $10 million?
Of course.
Then listen, madam. You know that this legal matters, this lawyer thing, there's a way we usually do these things. If you use another lawyer now, they might mess things up. You understand? Now, this Zuckerberg somebody that
Zuckerberg.
He was thinking straight when he recommended me. You understand? He was thinking straight. So I want you to also think straight like him and allow me to handle this thing. You understand? I'm a very serious. Just look at my face. If this is the face you see in court. I'm a very serious lawyer.
You're a cheap-ass lawyer. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Hi. $10 million. Gone like that. No, I must do this contract.
For legal purposes, barristers was shooting opponent. Plenty questions there.